How's it going, you guys? Ariel back here with the channel. I'm going to be installing the LED taillights. Definitely going to be a upgrade from the stock ones, which the stock ones are really not that bad at all. But I feel like these LEDs are definitely going to be looking better on the car. I saw these in the video before, and I just really like the look. So can't wait to install these. Hopefully I don't run into any issues. Sometimes when the thing seems a little bit easy, it never comes out to be that way. And then this, I don't know for how long it was not plugged up for, but as you can see, it rusted away. So definitely going to be getting a new plug and splicing this one so I can connect a new plug and everything, because this is, yeah, that's ugly. And then what it looks like RTV or just the OEM sealant. But yeah, so I'll just do a time lapse of the install, so hopefully you guys enjoy. And then of course once it gets darker, I'm definitely going to take a video of the difference of the LEDs and the stock ones. So hopefully you guys enjoy. So finally got the light off. Took a little bit of elbow grease, but finally got it off. Now I just gotta remove all this excess RTV off, because the new light has like a little sealant around it, and I don't want it to be caught up with this. So for the meantime, I'm gonna be removing all this sealant off so I have a clean surface. So there you go. I will be selling these taillights to anybody that's interested, but just to let you know, one is broken. It was already broken before, so once I went to go ahead and remove it, looks like no wonder it wasn't tight, the nut wasn't tight at all. So I will be selling these taillights if anybody's interested, without the cover of course, because I will need that. But if anybody's interested, hit me up. But let's go ahead and continue this. Alright, so basically there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that you need to unloosen from the old one. And then this is basically how your setup looks like. Hopefully this all matches. Already it looks much better. And then yeah, there you go. Definitely gotta buy colored turn signals, because these have like I never noticed. This has like a little the OEM ones has like a little amber strip, while these do not. So definitely to buy that. But other than that, it looks pretty legit. And it comes like with a little gasket. So all I did was clean the outside rim a little bit, so there's not too much of that gunk. But yeah, hopefully this lines up perfectly well. I'm just gonna re-tighten down the screws a little bit. What a difference. It looks much better old before. Now There you go. Both tail light switch.
There we go. Oh. Oh.